Dear students, myself Rakesh Singh, Government Degree College, Kathua. In this module, we will discuss nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions, these are the reactions which involve replacement of an atom or group of atom by another atom or group of atom. एक important point यहाँ पे आप देखिए, atom or group of atom which are being replaced, they are electronically rich, and the atom or group of atom which is replacing the atom or group of atom that is also electronically rich, that is nucleophile. So nucleophile is replacing the electronically rich atom or group of atom from the substrate. That is why we call them nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophile ने substitute किया, replace किया electronically rich atom or group of atom from the substrate. So here ORX alkyl halide is the substrate, and here Y negative is the nucleophile. Nucleophile may be negatively charged or may be neutral, but it should be electronically rich. It is neutral, its octet should be complete, and it must contain lone pair of electrons. So here Y negative replaces X negative from here. Nucleophile replaces electronically rich atom from here, and the product is RY plus X negative. For example, we can say that RCl plus OH negative. OH negative replaces Cl negative, and the product is ROH plus Cl negative. Next, we have types of substitution: SN1, SN2, and SNI. SN1 reactions. SN1 reactions, as the name suggests, substitution nucleophilic unimolecule, means these are the reactions in which the rate of reaction depend upon concentration of one concentrate term. Rate of reaction एक concentrate term की concentration पे depend करता है. In this case, in our example, here it depend only upon concentration of alkyl halide, and not upon the concentration of nucleophile. That is why we call it SN1, that is substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. Let's illustrate further. Mechanism of SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction is a two-step reaction. It occurs in two steps. First step, which is slow step, there is heterolytic breaking of carbon halogen bond. Halogen is more electronegative than carbon. It draws electron from the carbon and form R positive plus X negative. First step is slow step. Why it is slow step? Because it is bond breaking step. It requires energy. इसमें एनर्जी चाहिए, ये ज्यादा एनर्जी डिमांड करता है, इसमें बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करना है. That is why it is slow step. Stable से unstable species बन रहे हैं. That is why it is slow step. In this case, the alkyl halide breaks heterolytically with halogen retaining the shared pair of electrons. Halogen ने क्यों electron pair retain किया? Because it is more electronegative. Carbocation plus X negative. As soon as carbocation is formed, it is attacked by the nucleophile. Nucleophile इस पे attack कर देगा बच्चे, and we will get what? The substituted product, that is R by, और X से बन गया R. X replaced by Y. X negative Y negative ने replace कर दिया, nucleophile ने replace कर दिया another nucleophile को, good nucleophile replacing weak nucleophile, and we get what? Nucleophilic substituted product. That is why we call it nucleophilic substitution. Next, kinetics of SN1 reaction. Why we call it substitution nucleophile unimolecule? SN1 reaction, as I explained in the mechanism, is a two-step process. In the first step, there is breaking of bonds, so it is slow step. In the second step, the reactive species are reacting, charged species are reacting, hence it is fast step. Therefore, we can say that in this case, the rate depend upon slow step, and in the slow step, we have alkyl halide as the reactant, and hence we can say that rate depend upon concentration of only alkyl. जो rate determining step है उसमें एक ही reactant involved, that is alkyl halide. Slow step, rate is always determined by the slow step. rate हमेशा किस पे डिपेंड करता है? slow step. जैसे ये स्लो स्टेप है तो इसमें एक ही रिएक्टेंट इन्वॉल्व है, इसलिए हम कह सकते कि जो रेट है वो डिपेंड करेगा ओनली अपॉन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ alkyl halide. Hence it is called substitution nucleophile unimolecule. Unimolecule mean rate depend upon one reactant, is alkyl. रेट स्लो स्टेप पे डिपेंड करता, इसको हम एक एग्जांपल की मदद से भी आपको बता सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, किसी फैक्ट्री में 5 वर्कर्स हैं, 5 वर्कर्स को साइकिल बनाने का काम दिया गया है. डिफरेंट उनके जो पार्ट्स हैं साइकिल के, वो उनको बनाने के लिए 4 वर्कर ऐसे हैं जो 2 दिन में 5-5 पार्ट्स बना देते हैं. लेकिन जो 5वां वर्कर है वो स्लो है, वो 2 ही पार्ट बना पाता है. 4 वर्कर ने 5-5 पार्ट बना दिए, लेकिन जो 5वां वर्कर है वो 2 ही पार्ट बना पाया. मैं आपसे पूछूं, साइकिल कितने बने? साइकिल 2 ही बने. जब तक सभी पार्ट्स कंप्लीट नहीं होंगे साइकिल नहीं बनेगा. इट मीन रेट किस पे डिपेंड किया साइकिल बनने का? स्लो स्टेप ने 2 बनाए. साइकिल कंप्लीट कितने बने? Rate always depend upon slope. Next we have stereochemistry of SN1 reactions. जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया बच्चे, in the first step which is slow step, there is breaking of carbon halogen bond. Halogen leaves along with the electron, and results is formation of carbocation. Carbocation is a planar species. It has a trigonal planar geometry. Right? It is a planar species. Planar species can be attacked from the front by the nucleophile as well as from the back. Can be attacked from the front as well as from the back by the nucleophile. So nucleophile can attach to the carbocation from this direction as well as this direction. As a result, we get 2 optical isomers. And if you see, they are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Optical isomers of same compound which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Because we have taken different groups X, Y, Z attached to the. अगर इसको देखिए आप, यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोफाइल फ्रंट से अटैक किया है कार्बोकेटाइन पे और यहाँ पे बैक. ये रेड. Here we get optical isomers within the same reaction mixture. We can say we get racemic. में क्या मिलेगी बच्चे? Racemic. Stereochemistry of SN1 reaction shows that in case of these reactions, the nucleophile can attack the carbocation formed from front as well as back. Hence, we get next reactivity order. Reactivity order, if we discuss, we'll find that tertiary halides are more reactive as compared to secondary, and secondary are more reactive as compared to primary as far as SN1 substitution reactions are concerned. का क्या कारण है बच्चे? इसका कारण है कि टर्शियरी हैलाइड अगर हम लेंगे, अंडरस्टूड है, जब हैलोजन उसको रिलीव करेगा तो टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा. सेकेंडरी हैलाइड लेंगे, सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा. प्राइमरी हैलाइड लेंगे, प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन. तो which कार्बोकेटाइन इज मोस्ट स्टेबल? ये आपने स्टडी किया होगा. टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन्स आर मोस्ट स्टेबल. क्योंकि टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटाइन मोस्ट स्टेबल है तो सबसे आसानी से बनेगा. सबसे आसानी से बनेगा मतलब रिएक्शन विल बी कंपैरेटिवली फास्ट, रिएक्टिविटी। That is why we say that as far as SN1 substitution reactions are concerned, tertiary halide reactivity is more as compared to secondary and primary, because tertiary halide form tertiary carbocations more easily as compared to secondary and primary. Tertiary carbocations being more, ये बच्चे रिएक्टिविटी का ऑर्डर था। तो ये बच्चे होप आपको ये टॉपिक अंडरस्टैंड हुआ होगा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।